Hello to everyone, this is Anupama. In this video, I am going to explain about the concurrency of medians, altitudes, and other internal bisectors and perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. Okay, so first coming to medians. What are the medians? The lines drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, the line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Here how many vertices and how many sides? Three vertices, three sides. So we got three medians total. Okay, as the medians intersect at a point, all the three medians intersect at a point. That point we call it as centroid. Okay, and by this you can say the medians of the triangle are concurrent lines. Concurrent lines are nothing but three or more lines passing through the same common point are called as concurrent lines, right? So this is about medians of a triangle. Now coming to the altitudes of a triangle. Altitudes of a triangle are the lines drawn from the vertex to the opposite side perpendicularly. Okay, the line drawn from vertex to the opposite side perpendicularly is called as an altitude. Here we are having three vertices and three sides, right? So we'll get three altitudes and they intersect at a single common point that is called as orthocenter. Okay, so by this we can say altitudes are concurrent. Altitudes are concurrent lines. Next, coming to internal bisectors of the angles of a triangle. Internal bisectors of an angle of a triangle. That means the lines drawn to the where angles forms at the vertices. Angles are formed at the vertices of the triangle. So when we draw a line through the vertex and it cuts the angle in two equal parts, we call, if two equal parts it is divided, we call it as bisection. Okay, so these lines are these lines are intersecting the vertex, that is the angle at the vertex, into two equal parts. So we call them as internal bisectors of an angle of a triangle. So internal bisectors, we have here three vertices, right? For a triangle we'll have three vertices. So for three vertices, three angles are formed. So we can draw three internal bisectors in the triangle to bisect all the three angles in a triangle, and all the three intersecting by internal bisectors intersect at a point that is called as incenter. Okay, incenter. By this we can say internal bisectors are also concurrent lines. Next, coming to perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. These perpendicular bisectors are nothing but the lines drawn to the side. The lines are drawn to the side perpendicularly. It's not from vertices, or it's not from the other side of the line and all. The lines are drawn just perpendicular to each side of the triangle. Those lines are called as perpendicular bisectors. Here perpendicular bisectors, how many you will get? As you are having three sides for a triangle, for each side one perpendicular bisector we can draw. So three perpendicular bisectors will get for a triangle, and these three perpendicular bisectors intersect at a common point and it is called as circumcenter. By this we can say perpendicular bisectors are also concurrent lines. So what we have seen till now, the medians of a triangle are concurrent. Medians, altitudes of a triangle are concurrent, internal bisectors are concurrent, and angle perpendicular bisector also concurrent for a triangle.